Well, a robotic chicken coop is something that may seem like an invention out of the distant future, but it's actually been developed right here in Winnipeg by Ukkö Robotics. And today I'm talking to Luke Bohaneke, who is one of the developers of the ROVA. So Luke, it's a bit early to see the chicken coop in action. It's only hitting pastures in April. But can you tell us a bit, just how does this work? How does an automated chicken coop operate?
Sure, Laurel. So we've built the world's first autonomous self-moving barn for raising livestock on pasture to give farmers the benefits of raising their animals naturally on grass with the productivity of high tech. And it's a barn that has everything completely automated to the feed, to the water, temperature control, and predator prevention features. We've even automated how the barn moves itself every day to a fresh bed of grass, which is nutritionally better for the animal and the person that eats it. It's equipped with 24 unique sensors. It's powered with a mobile app for the farmer, and it's basically everything that the next generation of farming is looking for.
Mm-hmm. So it's not only easy, I guess, for the user to use, but you touched a bit on the sustainability of it. Is that something that your company values, that you see is going to be more important moving forward as our society progresses?
Yeah, sustainability is huge. We need to think of sustainability as not just what's best for the land and the environment, but also what's best for the livestock. And that food that we're producing, if it's better for the livestock, it's going to be better for the person that's eating it too. So we think it's very important to create products that are not just helping farmers and producers to be more productive, but actually improve the values, because we're seeing a severe nutritional decline in our soil, in our food, in our nutrition. And that's all happened in the last 50 years. We need tech to help reverse it.
Mm-hmm. And what would you say maybe to someone who would look at an invention like this and say, well, this is taking jobs away from a person, this is not good, this is taking jobs away from a human?
For sure. The reality is that automation is here. It's not going anywhere, and we will see some jobs displaced. There's a twofold response to that. Number one, we will find new jobs. We will find new purpose. It's what civilization has done successfully through date, through all the technology revolutions. We'll continue to do so. I think it's important to not just think about adding automation and robotics and data, but what is the intention of the automation? And if you look at a product like ours, if you look at a situation like we're in, where you have 98% fewer farmers today than you did 50 years ago, and you have 1,000% increase in chronic disease, there's something not right with our food system. So we need automation to actually help the small-scale farmer to stay on the farm, the millennials to want to continue working there and not go off into working in the computer industry. Let's bring these cool technologies to the farm so we can make farmers productive and improve the quality of what it is that we eat.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much, Luke, for talking to us today about the ROVA, made right here in Winnipeg.